Resources for people experiencing intimate partner violence. This video will tell you about an organization called STEPS, which works with people who have experienced or are currently experiencing intimate partner violence. An intimate partner is a person you are in a relationship with or married to. Violence can be physical, emotional, or sexual, and often gets worse over time. Violence can also be controlling your money, so you may have no access to food, clothes, gas, bus fare, or the phone. It is never your fault if your partner is being violent, and you never deserve to be abused. If you are experiencing any of these types of violence or feel unsafe in your relationship, STEPS can help you. STEPS offers emergency housing in 2 locations. One is called the shelter, and the other is called Safe Home. STEPS does not need proof of your immigration status to stay in the shelter or use any other services. Law enforcement is not allowed into their buildings unless they have a warrant to enter. The shelter houses female survivors of intimate partner violence. The Safe Home are local hotel rooms which house both male and female survivors of domestic violence. All children are welcome in the shelter and in the Safe Home. Your pets are also welcome in the shelter and some places in the Safe Home. You can call the hotline on 802-658-1996 to see if you are eligible for our emergency housing services. There will be someone called an advocate who will be able to assist you 24 hours a day, every day on this phone number. When the advocate picks up the phone, you can say the word interpreter and which language you speak, and an interpreter will be brought into the call. If you've been approved for emergency housing, or if you are at risk of losing your housing due to intimate partner violence, you can work with one of the housing advocates for ongoing case management. They'll work with you to figure out your specific housing needs. The housing system can be so complicated, and the advocate will be available to guide you through it. STEPS has a family program. This program is here to support your whole family and can help you in shelter or in the community. The family program can help you if you are pregnant or if you already have children. Every family has different needs, and STEPS will work with you to get your needs met as best they can. Sometimes that might involve referring you to another agency or working together as a team with your service providers. STEPS can help connect you with resources and services, assist with school and childcare enrollment, help fill out applications for programs, help you with tough conversations you may have with your children about what your family is experiencing, and much more. STEPS offers weekly group activities for children so they can play and work on different skills. STEPS can help get you the supplies your family needs when you are moving into or out of emergency housing, like clothes and furniture. STEPS understands that domestic violence impacts the entire family, and their advocates are here to support children and their parents. STEPS also has a legal program. This program provides information and resources about any legal issues you may have related to intimate partner violence. If you need legal advice or need legal representation, STEPS can get you connected to different resources so that you can speak with an attorney for free. STEPS can help you with legal issues that you may face related to the abuse you or your children have experienced, like legal protection from abuse, divorce, and custody. They can also provide referrals to attorneys or other agencies for questions regarding immigration. Steps can help explain legal processes so that you understand all of the stages in your legal matter, assist you with the paperwork, attend court hearings with you, be a support if you are working with an attorney, or be a support if you want to speak with the police. If there is a criminal matter, Steps can provide information and can connect you with a victim's advocate through the court so that you can better understand the process. The staff at Steps understands that the court system and working with the police can be very stressful. The staff at Steps know that you will be faced with difficult decisions, and there is no right path for everyone. Steps is here to support you in the decisions you will choose to make about what is right for you and your family. Steps has support groups. Steps offers different support groups over Zoom for survivors of intimate partner violence in English only. Groups are a safe, confidential space for survivors to come together to heal, build community, and share their stories. Steps may be able to assist with interpreter services for your attendance. Steps has weekly and monthly groups for women, men and women combined, parents, and young adults. You can register for groups on the Steps website or by calling the hotline. The groups at Steps change throughout the year. You can see what options are available and sign up or make requests for the new groups by calling the hotline or emailing hotline@stepsvt.org. Steps hopes to offer support groups in other languages and welcomes opportunities to work with organizations that may be interested in hosting these groups. Remember, you can call the Steps hotline 24 hours a day, any day, for more information and get help. You can also call the hotline just to talk to an advocate, make plans for you or your children's safety, or just to talk about what you are going through.